Yeah, what up, y'all? I'm waking up in the morning, right? I'm waking up and I'm looking out the window in the house, right? And I see this red bird. What type of bird is this? What type of bird is this? Let's get a closer look if possible. I see that? Look at that. Snowing outside, y'all. Snowing. Crazy, right? You gotta love Mother Nature. Oh yeah, I'm back. I'm back. It's been half an hour so far. This bird is sitting here looking in my window. Bird up. Good morning, red birdie. Y'all see that? As I was looking at this bird, I started thinking about all the forests around the world that haven't been discovered. Some of y'all may know what type of bird this is, but there's a lot of other birds we never seen before that get destroyed in fires and trees getting knocked down and a lot of other animals. For real. you know Snowing outside. I'm thinking it'd be in the nest somewhere that's hiding out trying to stay warm. Usually when it's snowing outside at this rate, you don't see no birds. So for this red awkward bird to be sitting here is amazing to me because I look out this window every day. Yeah, I look out this window every day. I see regular city pigeon birds. The little, they kind of like white and blackish. Regular pigeons that you see walking around the city. But a red bird, I never seen one like this before, unless it was some type of parrot or something, right? Flying on top of the tree, just sitting here having a stare down with your boy Mo. Or you gotta love Mother Nature, right? Mother Nature, right? Basically is our home. Basically is the place that houses us. It gives us trees, it gives us oxygen, water, land, nature to survive off of. We gotta take care of it, y'all. We gotta take care of it. Why? So it could take care of us. Why? So we could have more beautiful sightings like this. See the beautiful animals just chilling. These animals, right? They got souls too. They think like us. They work. They hunt like us just to survive, to eat, to have a place to live. We build buildings. They build nests. They go out and hunt. We go out to work to provide food. Basically, it's the same thing, just a different way of doing it. Some of y'all hunt too, literally hunt. But y'all know what I mean. Yeah. I got this beautiful thing. I'm gonna let y'all get one more last look before I cut the video off. No, I'm not the type of person I like to irritate nature. Let nature be in peace. This is Community Info TV. Thanks for your time. I hope y'all enjoying the beautiful sight. And I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.